Assalamu alaikum students. Students, as you know that we have started online lecture for you. So this is our third lecture for class 6. Students, today we are going to do book work of chapter number 7, Baby on the Board. So let's start word study, page number 38 on your textbook. Students, your first part is part A, and part A is comparison, comprehension. Ring the word that complete each simile. Students, what is simile? Simile is where two things are directly compared because they share a common feature. The word as or like is used to compare the two words. As you can see example in your textbook, like as sleigh as a fox. Student, as you hear that some people said ये इंसान तो लोमड़ी की तरह चालाक है. सो उस इंसान को किससे कंपेयर किया गया है? लोमड़ी से, फॉक्स से. So you said that as slay as a fox. Second is as black as a soot. Soot mean धुआं, smoke. Third is as sick as a parrot. Fourth is as strong as an ox. As brave as a lion. As tiny as a grain of salt. As pure as a snow. As sharp as a knife, as clear as a paper, as sleepy as a koala. Students, second part is vocabulary. Ring the correct word to complete each comparison. Student, in this part, you just circle the correct word to complete the comparison, like टीचर इज़ टू स्कूल एज डॉक्टर इज़ टू हॉस्पिटल. अगर टीचर स्कूल के लिए होते हैं तो डॉक्टर किस लिए होते हैं? हॉस्पिटल के लिए. सो सर्कल द वर्ड हॉस्पिटल. सेकेंड इज़ हैवी इज़ टू लाइट एज यंग इज़ टू. अगर भारी चीज़ है तो एक हल्की भी होती है, एज यंग. अगर एक इंसान जवान है तो दूसरा एज ओल्ड. सो सर्कल द वर्ड ओल्ड. रीड इज़ टू बुक. रीडिंग के लिए क्या होती है? बुक. एज वॉच इज़ टू, और हम क्या देखते हैं? टाइम, टेलीविज़न, म्यूज़िक और सी. सो द करेक्ट वर्ड इज़ टेलीविज़न. सर्कल द वर्ड टेलीविज़न. नेक्स्ट इज़ माउंटेन इज़ टू हाई. पहाड़ बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंचे होते हैं. एज ओशन इज़ टू, और समंदर क्या होते हैं? वेट, स्विमिंग, सेलिंग, डीप. द राइट वर्ड इज़ डीप. Stem is to flower as trunk is to elephant, tree, bag, petal, and the correct word is tree. So circle the word tree. Pack is to wolves as hive is to. छत्ते किन चीज़ों के होते हैं? Sting, honey, bee, bird. मक्खियों के छत्ते होते हैं. So the correct word is bee. Student, our C part is word structure. Add a second syllable to make a word. What is syllable, class? Syllable is a part of word that contain a single vowel sound and that is pronounced as a unit. Like example, first is done for you. As you can see, saw, S-A-U, saw, C-R, saucer. S-A-U is a first syllable. When we add second syllable CER, so it make a word saucer. The second word is C. When we add second syllable, it make a new word. C, S-I-D-E, side, seaside, or you can write here pot, P-O-R-T, pot. It's make a new word, seapot. Third is D-A-U-G-H-T, dot. When we add second syllable here ER, it make a word daughter. Fourth is QUES, quest. When we add here second syllable T-I-O-N. It make a new word question. Fifth word is add. A-D, add. When we add second syllable here, V-I-S-E, it make a new word advise. Remaining words are for your homework, students. D part is student think, plan, write. Write a summary of baby on board. Map out the main point. In this part, students, you just write some fact about this story. Student, the last part is teaser time. This is very interesting part. It's very interesting game. Students, as you can see, alphabets are written over here. So you will give the answer with the help of these alphabets. Our first question is, what is the second vowel after the letter J? Student, as you know that we have 5 vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. So he asked, what is the second vowel letter after the letter J? After J you can see O and U, 2 vowel letters we have, and the second vowel letter we have is U. So the right answer is U. Second question is, how many consonants are there in the alphabets? We have 21 consonants. Which letter look the same when they are written upside down? The answer is H-I-N-O-X. Next question is, what important little word is hidden in the alphabet? So students, the answer is I, because we use I in English for may. So I is a right answer. Which letter shape is double the shape of an other letter O? So students, your home assignment is your checkup on page number 39. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.